In this video, we will go over setting up your account as a new user, and we will introduce you to the features of our service. EzSignly is a web-based electronic signing tool developed with corporate and business standards in mind. We use a simple three-step flow. First, you create a template with signable widgets from an uploaded file. Second, you send a document to all your recipients in one click. Lastly, your recipients fill out the widgets assigned to them, and a completed document with everyone's signatures and responses is automatically generated and ready to use. To begin setting up your account, simply click on Get Started on the homepage. You will be redirected to the Create Account screen. Now enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. You will receive emails about the status of the documents you create at the email address you entered here. Your password must include letters, symbols, and numbers. The next step is to verify your email. A one-time verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter this code and click Verify Email. After the account verification is finished, sign into your account using your email address and password you just created. This is how you will sign in from now on. The next step involves completing your profile. Enter your name, your position in your company address, and your company phone number. Next, it's time to select a subscription plan. We offer options to pay either monthly or yearly. If you choose to pay yearly, you will receive a slight discount in your subscription. Keep in mind that your subscription charges will increase as more members are added to your profile. We'll talk about members soon. When you start your subscription, you will be redirected to Stripe for a secure checkout experience. Enter your payment information and click Subscribe. If your payment was successful, you will see this pop up. Now you are ready to start creating templates and documents and send them to other members of your company. Let's continue back to the dashboard. Here you will see the statistics of the documents you created. Total documents represents all the documents you created. Signed documents represents how many of your documents have been signed by all recipients. Pending documents shows how many of your documents either haven't been signed or have only been signed by some of your recipients so far. You can also set expiration dates for the documents you send so that any recipient that opens the link after the expiration date will not have access to the document. After any of your documents pass the expiration date, this will be represented in the expired documents count. Recent activity will show a list of all documents that have recently been created or signed, so you can see all important updates in one place. The document trends graph will display the number of documents you have sent during each month. If you scroll down, you will see more statistics, including completion rate and total requests, which help summarize how your recipients interact with your documents. Now let's check the next section, called Templates. To create a new template, select Create Template. Please check our tutorial on creating templates, also found on this channel, to learn about our template and document process. Creating a template involves uploading a document file and adding widgets that your recipients would sign. You can view all your templates on the My Templates page. After you have created a template, you can create a specific document using that template and optionally change some of the widgets or recipient info. You can place different widgets in different locations on the same document for each recipient. This process allows you to send a document to different groups of recipients with the ability to make slight changes from the template each time. The All Documents, Signed, Pending, and Expired tabs show a list of the documents you have sent. In this page, you will see the name of the document, timestamps of when the document was created and signed, and options to archive the document. Our Templates and Documents tutorial provides an example of how this page is used with some example documents. Please note that recipients have the option to accept or decline documents. So even if a recipient declines a document, it will count as that recipient signing the document, potentially increasing the signed documents count. Our service makes it easy for multiple people in your company to send documents with the help of the Members feature. Each time you add a member, they will automatically get an invitation in the email with their credentials, so they can start using the service and sending documents as well. Invited members can start using the site immediately and don't need to go through the account creation process. For example, if I am the company owner, I can add a member for my employee by entering their name, email, and role type, which sends out an invitation for them to join your company on the site. The members page is also great for user privilege management, as you can choose to disable and then reactivate your members' access to the site at any time. Keep in mind that your subscription price will increase when a new member is added, as it would mean an additional user is creating templates and documents using the site. Sometimes you would want to send the same document to a large number of recipients and receive each of their individual responses separately. Our service also supports this ability with the bulk send feature. Bulk send allows you to use a template you have previously created as long as that template is only intended for one recipient, and we will then generate copies of your template sent to hundreds or even thousands of recipients to sign. You can upload a CSV file containing the names, roles, and email addresses of the recipients, following the CSV requirements listed on this page. A bulk send works slightly different than the original document process meant for less recipients. With bulk send, each signer will sign their own individual version of a document, which only contains widgets or fields for that one signer. All recipients' documents will contain the exact same widgets and must match an existing template that you already created. You can use the bulk send page to keep track of all your recipients' signing progress for the template you sent out. Finally, you can find detailed personal information and subscription information in the profile section. Here you can make changes to your subscription plan by clicking Manage Billing, which will redirect you back to Stripe, where you made your original payment. When you scroll down, you can update your personal and company information that is used to build your user profile. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials on our channel, which cover more specific steps in detail, like creating templates and preparing documents, and to check the description for more information about our service. Thanks for watching.